did you find these ornaments?
Oh.
Yes.
Oh. That is an orchid. That's
is.
genuinely called something like the Hanging Willy Man or something.
It's called the Orchis Italia.
Oh, okay.
Orchids Italia.
It's known amongst gardeners as like the naked man, isn't it?
It is called the naked man orchid. Is its
People who can't
nickname.
do Latin, like.
Yeah.
My naked man's come up lovely this
yeah.
year.
16 naked men in my garden.
I've been giving a lot of attention to my naked man.
Which is funny because the orchid is named after the female genitalia. That's where the Latin comes from.
I think the orchid's name means testicles. You've got your genitalia around the wrong way, which... I can help you with that. But orchids come in the most wonderful shapes. There's one shaped like the laughing bumblebee on the left there. Oh. The other one is the swaddled baby.
Yeah.
And then the one on the right, it's a birthwort flower. Do you not think it looks a bit like Darth Vader?
That's an STI. I'm not going to come in, I'm just going to send you a photograph of it. I can't get any clothes on with this thing. Could we Skype? Could we Skype it?
It is known as a Dutchman's pipe, is its nickname.
You do not want one of those.
Apparently it stinks. It smells of rotting flesh. The orchid means testicles because in...
Sorry, I got
no, it's
one.
all right. In Middle English, it was called bollock-wort. Next time you're backstage with somebody and they've got a marvellous orchid has been delivered, you go, oh, nice bollock-wort.
I think we should bring that back. Bollock-wort is much better than orchids. I've got 2 lovely bollock-worts, actually, on my windowsill.
Good for you. One of the UK's rarest plants is an orchid. It's a beautiful thing called the ghost orchid. It was first discovered in Britain in 1845. And isn't it delicate and amazing?
I like the one with the cock more.
Yeah. What I like about you, Sarah, is you're reliable. Thank you for watching. Do remember to subscribe to the QI channel and click here to watch more videos.